what's so amazing about, being a business owner is the access to different funding options that, as an employee, you won't have the same type of options. You're not going to be able to go out and get money and turn that money into more money just by working for somebody. So you have an idea, a concept, you're selling a service or a product. You have this opportunity to go out there and be able to get something that you can leverage that can turn your idea, your business, your baby into blossom into something huge. Right. So getting started is the first step. And I know credit is always a thing. We see on our posts all the time. What's the minimum credit score? What's the minimum credit score? It depends. Thoroughly. Do you have an idea for a business? Well, if you do, is your idea going to make you any money? But besides all of that, you need to have anywhere between 680, 720 to even think about doing anything. But it doesn't stop you from starting. So if you fall out of that range, then if you don't get started, you won't even know what the next step will be after you get a 720, because that ain't it. Exactly. It's not the only thing. Exactly. That's not the limiting factor. Or if you have a business and you make money, you can have a very low credit score. You can get a 500s. It just depends on where you are in your business. It's so many things you can do to position yourself to get better funding, better rates, more money, whatever you need to get you to, maybe you need to make payroll, or maybe you need to buy some equipment to get started to improve your processes. It's so many different options, and everything all matters when it comes to that. It doesn't say credit score locks you in for all.